North, this is JSOC headquarters. We're sending you coordinates to the nearest safe house. There you'll find equipment and mission information. Good luck, Marine. JSOC over and out.
Oh my god, I'm gonna lose my mind with this music.
Lodestar. Come in, Lodestar. This is Whiskey, Foxtrot Sierra.
What? Frank? You're on this line?
Making sure you don't go off the reservation. Okay. So where are we?
HQ didn't brief you?
Yeah.
Easy smart and feared like a god.
So we need to sow a little good old-fashioned disruption and chaos in amongst these troublemakers. Priority 1 is Arsen Kovac. He's right up there, high in... You're almost there. I've marked a suitable sniping spot on your GPS.
I'm on site.
Copy. Get comfy. I'll keep you informed. Okay, get ready. You got some time before the target arrives. Use your scopes to scout the area.
Multiple tangos in the vicinity.
Copy. Look around and remember to hold your fire before the target arrives.
Roger. They've got a mortar. Seems like they're ready for us.
Too many guards there right now. Stay low.
I see a sniper nest above the checkpoint.
They're all well-trained and dangerous bastards. It may be a good idea to take him down before the situation gets hot. Your call.
think I got him. The guy looks like Kovac. Fits the description. Waiting for confirmation.
Confirmed. It's Kovac. Target vehicle is approaching your location. About 250 meters. Get ready.